Hello folks and welcome to Product Review Monday. Today I have for you this Parkside disc sander. As you already know, you can buy it from Lidl. The price is only 30 euros and it comes with 3 years of warranty. The machine uses the popular 125mm sanding discs. It's rated at 140 watts and the motor is a short duty cycle motor S250 minutes. It has a speed regulator, the maximum RPMs are 3600 RPMs, and it has an adjustable sanding table. As you can see, 2 meters long power cord. There are some accessories included in the box. Let's open the box and see what exactly do we have inside. Of course, a manual. We have an aluminium screw clamp and an Allen key, 2 plastic adapters for external dust extraction. You can use your standard vacuum cleaner for this purpose. Some sanding discs. And of course the machine itself. Very interesting is that the machine has a dust protector over the on-off switch, but there is no dust protector over the speed regulator. Indeed, the speed regulator is a rotating knob, but Parkside could have think of some sort of protector over it also. Really thoughtful from engineering side is that the machine can be used in this position like this, or in a stand-up position like this. Also, there are 2 receptors for the aluminium bracket, one over here and second over here. Over here is the hole for the external dust extraction. Again, it's adjustable. The sanding table can be adjusted ranging from plus 50 degrees to minus 10 using this knob over here. Let me show you how. Of course, when you select the desired angle, you have to lock the sanding table into position using one of those 2 screws over here. On the sanding table we have a slidable angle stop and it's operated by this screw over here. We can slide it like this, and of course we can rotate it in virtually any position we like. As this is portable disc sander, let's measure its weight. 2 kilograms and 200 grams. Let's measure the sound level the machine generates. It's time to disassemble the machine and see the components inside. And here it is. We have some rectifier and control board, and one very interesting motor. Here we have one potentiometer and the on-off switch. This is the rectifier chip DV207. A fuse over here. Basically nothing special. The model of the motor is ZYT6042. Of course, the motor is DC. It has really powerful magnets inside. Basically, nothing special as design and construction. In order to change the sanding disc, you have to remove the whole sanding table. Simple as this. Finally, it's time to do some testing with the disc sander. As you can see, the machine is doing its job. Probably it's not the best disc sander out there, but for some heavy application it's perfect. And of course you have a 3 years of warranty. So that's from me, guys. If you'd like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.